Today I'm going to show you how we do the weave for our two cute bunny ears. You've received your kit. You've got a yard of wire that you've cut in 4 pieces and divided your beads. So to weave your ears, you start with 1 bead and you center it. Then we add 2 more clear beads. We hold those in place, and then we take our wire, cross over. We try to keep our beads centered so we have equal wire on both sides. And this is stainless steel wire, so we don't have to be too careful with it. We pull it nice and tight until we've locked our 2 beads in place. Center of his ear is going to be a clear, a pink, and a clear. Do the same thing again. We take the opposite wire and run it through. Grab one end, grab the other, pull down. Lock everything in place. Now we go back down, so it's going to be 2 beads. Cross over again, grab our wire, pull down, one bead, and in your kits we usually provide a couple of extra beads, just in case you run into one that doesn't have a hole drilled all the way through. Wire, wire, pull tight. Okay. Now we bring our wires down, pulling them tight. Going to take them and we're going to twist. I may have twisted you. I did a little bit too far down. You want to usually do like 3 twists. If you want to use a tool, you can use a tool. Because what we're going to do now is we're going to cut off 1 piece of our wire. And now we need to repeat this same thing 4 times. So this is 1. And now I have all of my bunny ears. So now we're going to assemble our bunny. In your kit, you have a 2mm bead. Through our 2mm bead, we are going to run one of our bunny ears. And we're going to put another one on. And we're going to pull it down tight. We have our ears. Now we're going to assemble the rest of our bunny. With our head pin, we start with our 8mm pave. We put our rondelle on, our 6mm pave, now we run our head pin through our ears. Sometimes you need to pull it up a little bit. Till you get your head pin through past where you twisted. Now we have our head pin on. I like to hold it, pull my bunny ears down as tight as I can. Got my bunny ears down. Now I wrap my head pin. Cut off my excess wire from my head pin. Separate the wires from my bunny ears. Take it up and wrap it around. Take it up and wrap it around. And put my bunny ears where I want them. Position. I like one up, one folded over down. Now we open up the end of our ear wire. Attach our bunny and close our ear wire. Now we have a set of our 2 cute bunnies. This technique also works on our 2 cute bunny face and our 2 cute bunny pendant. The only difference would be sometimes we add a few more crystals. I hope you enjoyed.